Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick little unboxing of the Sony Xperia headphones that you do get with the Xperia XZ. These are the MDR-XB950BT Bluetooth headphones. So very nice gift here from Sony. You know, these are extra bass, look very nice if you ask me in terms of the quality. They're not cheap actually, you know, you can get these for about €100, so they should be quite good quality headphones here. I'm going to have a look at them and see what they are like. So let's get this open. I don't know if this promotion is going to go on forever, so you might want to be quick if you do want to grab this promotion. Oh, this is a nice box. Oh, very good. So, books and stuff in that one, and this is the headphones right here. So let's get them out and have a look. Wow. They look like some cans. They are some cans. They're very big, aren't they? I mean, usually they're not this big. Serious. So you get a nice shiny part here, which looks very high quality. Nice Sony logo. Wow. And you get a lot of different buttons and stuff. You can do stuff, volume, charging area, bass boost. You can use a physical input, and you got a mic as well to take calls. And do they extend? Yes, they do. Very nice. So we're going to power them on here. Maybe they've got juice, we don't know. Oh, I heard something. So I think it's pairing, and we're going to see if we can pair it here with the XZ. So let's go to YouTube. Oh, in fact, let's actually see if we can pair it first, because that would help, wouldn't it? There we go. Connect straight away. And yeah. Oh, in fact, got to be careful. Let's see. This one. So you're not going to be able to hear it, I don't think, but maybe if I put the headphones over the camcorder, you might be able to. I don't know. Let's get rid of the advert. So maybe you can hear that, I don't really know. Sounds pretty bassy. Very nice. Oh, you got bass boost as well. Wow, my hands are shaking. Wow, they rock your head open, they do. Seriously, that is a bassy pair of headphones. Very nice. So yeah, you know, we're definitely going to be rocking these, I think, when I want some nice bass. And you can see we do have the NFC ability as well, so if you want to like tap and connect to your NFC device, you can do that. So yeah, just a quick little unboxing, first look of the, well, first and final look of the XB950 Bluetooth headphone extra bass headphones. And yeah, oh, just before I go, I forgot to show you what you get with it. You get this instruction manual, and you do get as well a charging cable and a physical connection, like 3mm, which is nice. Not nice if you've got an iPhone 7. But yeah, just a quick video here. Hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.